I'm back with another video, and this one's going to be on how to make your boobs look bigger. Kylie Jenner has finally revealed what she does to make her boobs appear larger, and it's actually a very easy hack. So what she does is she buys the Victoria's Secret bombshell bra, and that is available anywhere. You can get it online, you can get it in the store, and it's $60, so it is a little bit of an investment for a bra, but it's totally worth it. I wouldn't wear it necessarily on an everyday basis because it really does make your boobs look a lot bigger, as I will show you with the before and after pictures. But it is worth it for a special night, or at least for my sake. I would wear it for a special night out or a special occasion, something like that. Being small-chested growing up was a little bit of an insecurity for me, but as I got older, I gained confidence and realized that that's just not important. I don't need to have surgery for being small-chested. I can do other things if I would like to. If you would like to get plastic surgery, I'm not against that. If that's your decision, and I think that's great. But for me, I don't think that's something that I would want to do right now because I'm doing a lot of sports, so that would get in the way. I also am going to give you another hack on how to make your legs appear longer and how to accentuate your waist and your butt. Those are easy hacks too. All you have to do is wear things that are high-waisted, such as leggings or high-waisted jeans. I really like high-waisted because if you feel like you have a little bit of a stomach, it really sucks everything in and can make you just feel a little bit more comfortable, like everything is tucked in, nothing's hanging out. So that's just an easy hack that I wanted to tell you guys. Check out my previous video on my everyday makeup routine inspired by Kendall Jenner. I really like her makeup, honestly. She's a little bit more natural, and her eyes are always very simple, but I think it's a really good look for people that are younger. I also wanted to tell you guys that I have a very exciting video coming up for my next video, so please stay tuned. Like and subscribe to my channel, that would mean the world to me. And comment below on what you thought of this video or what you'd like to see.